Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you the easiest cowl. If you beginner crocheter, that pattern is perfect for you. It's so easy, you can make it easily. I use papaya cake yarn and it's 150 grams, 5.30 oz and 540 meters, 590 yards, 100% of acrylic. You can wash in 30 degrees, do not ironing and do not put in dry machine. They recommend us using 4mm hook and I will use 4mm hook too. I made a cowl, only one ball like that, the colors is here and its width is 130 centimeter. But if you want to make a shawl with that pattern, you need 2 balls of that yarn, nearly 300 grams. Okay, it's so easy, only 2 row repeats. One is box round, one is double crochet row. 2 space for increases. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments. And please don't forget subscribe to my channel. If you're ready, we can start to crochet the easiest cowl in the world. Yes, let's start to crochet. We start to make our shawl or cowl with slip knot. Then chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Turn back to the first one and join with a slip stitch. Then chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over twice, insert into that hole, grab the yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Make a treble. Yarn over twice. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over twice, insert the same place, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. That's 4. We count that chain 5 as first triple. Then we have 4 and the fifth one. 1, 2, 3. Then chain 2, yarn over twice and make 5 triple more in the same space. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn your work. Yarn over twice, insert into the same stitch. We increase our shawl from the starting point, corner and the last stitch. Okay. Yarn over twice, insert into the same stitch and make one more treble. Yarn over twice, insert into the first stitch and make one more treble. So we have 3 stitch in the first stitch. Yarn over twice and make a treble in each stitch. Here, yarn over twice, insert into the next one. Yarn over twice, insert into the next one. Yarn over twice and insert the last one. I come to chain 2 space, yarn over twice and make 2 treble here. 1, 2, 3 and make one more. 1, 2, 3. Then chain 2, yarn over twice and make 2 triple more here. This is 2. Then yarn over twice, insert into next stitch. 1. Yarn over twice, next. 2. Yarn over twice, insert next. 3. Yarn over twice, insert into next. 4. When you come to the last stitch, as same as the starting point, we make 3 treble on that, so we increase our shawl. Insert the last stitch, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over twice and make 1 more, yarn over twice and make 1 more, chain 5 again, 3, 4, 5, turn your work and add 1 space, 1 chain for the space, yarn over twice and insert into the same stitch and make a treble, chain 1, yarn over twice, insert into the same space and make a treble. So we make 3 treble in the first stitch, but between them 1 chain. Chain 1, yarn over twice, skip 1, insert into the next one and make a treble. This is our box row. Chain 1, yarn over twice, skip 1, insert into the next one. Make again treble. Chain 1, yarn over twice, skip 1, insert into the next one. Treble. Chain 1, yarn over twice, skip 1, insert into next stitch and make a treble. Chain 1, yarn over twice and come to the corner, make a treble. Chain 1, make 1 more treble. Now make corner, chain 2, yarn over twice and make treble in the same space. Chain 1, yarn over twice and make 1 more treble in the same space. So we make again here 4 treble, but between them 1 chain and the corner 2 chain. Okay. Chain 1, yarn over twice and you come here like that, so you can go here like that. So insert the first stitch, start with the first, make a treble, chain 1, skip 1, insert the next one, chain 1, skip 1, insert the next one, chain 1, skip 1, insert the next one, chain 1, skip 1 and come to the last stitch, insert the last stitch, make a treble, same as the start, chain 1, yarn over twice, insert the last stitch again and make 1 more treble, chain 1, yarn over twice and insert the same last stitch and make 1 more treble. We use triple stitch in 3 rows. After that 1 row double crochet, 1 row triple, chain 3 and turn my work. This is our double crochet round. Yarn over and insert the same stitch and make a double and make 1 more double, so you increase your shawl from the starting stitch. Yarn over and insert the space and make a double, yarn over, insert the stitch, make a double, space double, stitch double. You will make a space double crochet in the stitch double crochet. Come to the corner, I will turn to you. I come to the chain 2 space, yarn over, insert the chain 2 space and make 2 double, 2 chain and 2 double. Then as same as keep crocheting 1 double in the stitch, 1 double in the space. Keep crocheting like that. I come to the end and turn to you. I come to end and make 3 double crochet in the last stitch. 1 in the same, 2 and 3. Now we are on that box round, so we chain 5 for triple, 1 for space and turn our work. So we have totally chain 6. Yarn over twice and insert into the same stitch and make a treble. Chain 1, yarn over twice and make a treble in the same stitch and make 3 treble here. Chain 1, yarn over twice, skip one, insert into the next one, chain one, skip one, next one, I come to the corner, here make a last treble, chain one, yarn over twice, and insert in chain two space, make a treble, chain one, make one more treble in the same space. Now make corner with chain two, yarn over twice, in the same space make a treble, chain one, and make one more treble. Don't forget, you come here with treble, chain one, and insert the first stitch, start with treble, because you come here with treble. Which you do that side, you will do the same thing in that side. Chain one, skip one, chain one and come to the last stitch, skip one, insert here and make a treble, chain one, insert into the same stitch, make a treble, chain one and insert into same stitch and make one more treble. So we increase here. After that round we make double crochet, so chain three and turn your work and make two more double in the same stitch. So you increase your shawl from the beginning, from the corner and the last stitch. Then make one double in the space, one double in the stitch, come to the corner, make two double, two chain, two double, again make one double in the stitch, one double in the space, come to the last stitch and make three double crochet into the last stitch. After chain six and turn and repeat that round 1 2 3 4 5. You will keep repeating always 3 and 4. I will keep growing up my shawl after turn to you and show you. I finish and turn to you. I finished my cowl. It's perfect for beginners. It's so easy, you can crochet it easily. That's the width is 130 centimeter and it's enough for one ball, 150 grams. If you want to make that pattern a shawl, you need two balls, nearly 300 grams. Okay, you can get it more bigger. I hope you like it and you will try. Comments. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook and on Pinterest as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.